Alright, today I got this, it's called an Osmo Pocket 3. I plan on using this to do a lot of YouTube videos and different things like that, maybe possibly some travel videos. So I'm gonna open this bad boy up and check it out and get to work with it. So let me go ahead and unbox it. Let me put all this packaging. I heard a lot of people like these, and I see a lot of y'all YouTubers using them, so I'm gonna go ahead and check it out. It's got an Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo. So I'm not that good when it comes to opening some things. I'm trying not to injure myself or the product. Get this up out of here and check it out. See what we got. Every time I see these in here, I'm thinking, is it really trying to keep the camera fresh? Let's check it out. I like this small. It's me doing a lot of walking around. This is so much better than that giant, big old camera. Don't get me wrong, the big camera's nice though. What's in this box? It's just a space holder. Just making sure. What we got here? Oh, okay. It's a protective cover. All right, that will be useful. Let's see, I like this little case they got, and it's kind of cute. Okay, so we got here, what's it say? Different languages. All right, that's cool. All right, what we got here? Alrighty, that looks cool. It's nice and lightweight, I like it. Let me put this down. Got little pieces, parts. Alright, little adapter thingy. Insert the handle into the pocket without holding. Alright, we'll try that out. So little and cute. Alright, this plugs in it too. Guess that's the battery. Yeah, when mounting, insert the battery handle into the Osmo Pocket 3 without holding the release button. Alright, I'm going to figure that out. A lot of parts here. Alright, like some type of. Alright. Alright, I think this is a speaker. Nice and little. Alright, this is gonna work. Everything's so lightweight too. Alright, we got the cords. Gotta make sure that's in there. Charge this up. Alright. Some more freshener. Keep it fresh. Oops. Got a little thing for the mic. Alright. A little attachment thing. Alright, we're gonna get to it. Put this together and start having some fun. Another piece in here. What is this? Alright. A little piece right here. We'll clean that off. We got a smudge on it already. Alright, we're gonna record with this and see how it goes. Holla back.